This one's for Claire, who said she was looking forward to the room tour. This is actually our last night in Tokyo before we go to Kyoto. Been off the grid a bit the last couple of days because we've just been too busy to edit, and it's been really difficult to upload. So follow me and we'll do a quick room tour. It's not a room tour, is it? It's the whole thing tour. Okay, so first of all, you have to put your shoes here, and you're not allowed to walk in the rest of it with your shoes on. Okay, nice, well, I would say like quite a nice big kitchen. It's a bit unclear what to do with the bins, but we contacted them, and because there's signs everywhere saying don't leave your bins out. So these are the bins, and we've been told to leave them out on the balcony. Here's the kitchen, massive kitchen sink and microwave, and that's all we've needed because the food at the 7-Eleven's so good. There's the toilet. Lovely. You don't need to go too close. Okay, separate toilet and just a shower. Just a one bit. I don't think I've ever seen this quite before. It's just one room that's just a whole shower. Okay, like a bathroom sink and a mirror here. And then, does this door open? So we haven't been sliding this open and closed, but if you wanted to, you can close this one. Okay, and into kind of like a living room, isn't it? My towel looks a mess on the floor there. I don't know, this is like a, what would you call that? The word on
ornament?
Okay. What is that? Is that air conditioning that we didn't use?
I don't know what that is.
I bet it is, you know.
Don't touch now.
It's in Japanese. I'll bet you that there's air conditioning in here that we haven't been using. Okay, so obviously we've started packing because we're going tomorrow. So it was more of a mess than this. Little table where we've had our dinners from the 7-Eleven, and then through into the bedroom where you've got a little storeroom here with extra mattresses and things like that. So it might be a good time to talk about pros and cons, because one of the cons with this is you're basically sleeping on the floor. So if you're really uncomfortable sleeping on the floor, this is not for you. You get this is basically what you get, isn't it? Is this one here, which is like they call it what did they call it?
Futon?
They called it a futon, which probably is, but basically it's like the thickness of a duvet. So you're sleeping on a duvet on the floor. I've padded mine out because it was really hurting my back. Marie called it my princess bed, but I'm going to tidy this up a bit.
It doesn't need tidying.
So what was the other con? You know, if we're going to be really honest, we haven't really said much positive, but we've really loved staying here and got really used to sleeping on the floor, and it's no problem. Just think it's been fantastic. This air conditioning works brilliantly, and we've been really cool in this room. Very comfortable, quite easy to sleep. Got a TV with all the Japanese programs. No like English news or anything that we could find, but obviously you've got the internet. That's a good thing about the place, was that they give you a pocket Wi-Fi that we've used a lot. So every time we've gone out, we've taken the pocket Wi-Fi and we've been able to get online everywhere, haven't we? Mm-hmm. Which has been great.
Good for Google Maps.
Yeah. So one of the cons I would say is that I think didn't we? I think we had to put this sheet around this because it was just folded up. And when you look at this futon here, it had a slightly suspect looking stain on it. That it looked like someone had wet themselves and they cleaned it, but they just didn't get the stain out. So that's just one of the cons. You've got these open this way, like this, and you're looking out onto a wall, aren't you, through here? So it's actually a lot more picturesque just with this closed. Looks really cool. Anyone who's seen the typhoon video will have seen us in a little bunker. So we, this opens, doesn't it? This is on the latch, is it? No. We latched this up and closed this when the typhoon was full on. So as I've just opened that, I've got a blast of hot air. And you've got a washing machine, which we've used a lot. And you can put your washing out here to dry, and it'll dry overnight, no problem at all. And this is what you can see outside. Don't drop the camera over the edge. That's it, isn't it? Yeah. Please like, subscribe, ding the bell.